So how do you resize photo for iPhone lock screen? Let me explain it, and if you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, as you are probably aware, you can go to the Photos app and find an image. Let's say that I'm gonna find an image which is gonna be this horizontal looking one. You can always click on share and choose it to be the wallpaper. So when I click on use as wallpaper, you can see that we are on the lock screen, and you can kind of like move the image around, but it's really zoomed in our case. Like I can move it around, but I can definitely not fit the whole picture. And if that's the problem, and if you want to like resize the photo so it actually shows the whole thing on the lock screen, we need to use an app for it, because obviously we cannot do it through the official method. So the app which I want you to use, I'm going to link to it below in the description, so you can go there and click the link. But it's going to be this app which looks like this. It's this iPhone wallpaper. So, okay, let me just find it like this. And you can see, yeah, this is the one called Wallpaper Size. And you can get inside like this. Click on the pick image. It's going to get you to the gallery, and I'm going to choose the one which we wanted to use. And then now we have the option to resize it, but make sure that the whole thing fits. Even though we're going to end up with like black areas above and below, but we might be fine with it because at least the whole image is visible. So you can kind of like still move it around and then decide if it's going to be behind the clock or below, or perhaps you want only this part to be shown. But the point is that it gives us much more option compared to the built-in method. So once you're happy with it, you just click on done, and it should be saved. So click on save like that, and it will appear in your gallery. So if you go to your photos, the latest one at the bottom is going to be the one with the black areas. And now I can click on share and use it as a wallpaper. And as you can see, it gives me the ability to resize it a little bit better, even though, as we said, the background is going to be a little bit like black areas we have there, but the whole image is now visible, and yeah, we can make it look like we want. So that's what I wanted to show you in this video. Let me know if you found this video helpful just by hitting the thumbs up, and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later in future uploads.